don't know if this is the kind of content that you guys are here for, but I just really wanted to read my all-time favorite poem to you. My beloved child, break your heart no longer. Each time you judge yourself, you break your own heart. You stop feeding on the love, which is the wellspring of your own vitality. The time has come, your time to live, to celebrate, to see the goodness that you are. Anyway, today was day 5 of our 7-day meditation series. It was all about tuning into sound, and it's a really good one. If you're new here, my name is Amber and I'm a meditation teacher. If you would like to join my free 7-day meditation challenge, you can go to meditationwithamber.com/7 days.